my name is George Gurchow, CSO for Sumo Logic. We're here today to talk about security as a service. And I know everything seems to be coming as a service these days, but that's what it should be about. Ultimately, when you're in the practice of security, people are your customers, and you want to provide guardrails for those customers and make security easy. It needs to be something that's a little more transparent than what we traditionally have. A great example of that is the iPhone 10 and facial recognition. So now that someone can just look at their phone and open it up, that makes security easy. And so that's the whole point of what's coming in the future. So at Sumo Logic, one of the very interesting things that we've done is we've provided a security as a service portal based upon the amount of questionnaires that we were getting asked for, certifications and attestations, and all this inundation of documentation that people wanted us to provide. And we became a bottleneck, really, to sales and to the rest of the organization by having to go through these, answer these tickets one by one. And then it was also not challenging our staff, because can you imagine sitting around every day answering the same questions over and over again and then publishing them out there? So this portal allowed for us to do a few things, and it runs on the Sumo Logic service, so you can go out there and find it, or if not, we will get it to you. But you have to be a Sumo Logic customer to have it, or prospect that has an account in Sumo. That's step one. The other piece of it is that it's NDA wrapped, so it immediately protects our organization, your organization against confidential data. The next piece is that you can now select what it is that you want to download or how you want to self-service, and then ask for future items. So like right now, for example, people are asking us about things like IRAP out of Australia, which we don't have yet, but it's now driving our budget and driving our roadmap for future certifications and attestations. Now here's the really cool thing. If you're in the security industry today, you can also give business intelligence data back to organizations like sales, saying, listen, this is what your customers are interested in, and you just had X number of customers download our DPA because they're interested in privacy and interested in things like GDPR. So then that way the sales team can contact them, make sure that they have everything they need from you as a customer when it comes to things like privacy. So again, take a step back, think about what you're currently doing today in your current position in security, and think about how you can provide guardrails and become more of a security as a service type shop instead of being a blocker or a bottleneck like we were in the past. Thank you so much for being with us today, and I look forward to talking to you soon.